Welcome friends, now you are on a computer screen and today I am going to show you the technical SEO techniques that you can use to make your website optimistic. So let's get. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified while I upload such type of content for you. Start. First of all, what is technical SEO? Technical SEO is basically the process to optimize your website for crawling and indexing phase. It means your website is optimized such that the crawler of Google's or any search engine can easily find your website stuff as well. For this, uh, you can use HTML, XML, sitemap, search console, indexing, robot text optimization as basically as. So let's see our first technical SEO technique. Create XML sitemap. It's basic SEO technique, but it's helpful because XML sitemaps gives a complete intention of your pages and images that all those things are available on your site to search crawler. XML, if your XML sitemap contain all things, it easy and helpful for Google crawler to find your index, your web pages for indexing. So as simple to create a sitemap, you have to just to create sitemap is simple. Just type in your URL and slash sitemap.xml typing. Your XML sitemap will be created. If not, then you can create your sitemap with your SEO plugin, whether if you are using Yoast SEO or RankMath. These plugins automatically create your site XML sitemap. You just have to submit it in Search Console. Just simply you can do it. So our next strategy is use Search Console to fix issues. All these search ranking related issue are you can seen with Search Console. If any issue will be seen there, then you have to try to fix out that issue that makes your website strong technically, and your huge amount of data on your site will become fixed and your website rankings must be improved as you want. Our next strategy is use catchy plugin. Your websites makes more massive impact of site speed. In fact, site speed is one of the algorithm of Google that they record. If your website speed is less, it may affect your user experience that matters most in search engine ranking. So you can use catchy plugins like Lightspace, WP Rocket, and many other plugins are available for there. You can use those plugins and make your site catchy free. So next technique is considered to integrate AMPs. AMPs stands for Accelerated Mobile Pages. This is the project of Google which aims for boosting the speed of web pages. But you have to remember that JavaScript, animation, CSS, your pop-ups, and HTML language not working in AMP pages. It directly shows your by default and without HTML optimized or other any language optimized page that increase your web page loading speed and easily get the page available for your visitor as well. So if you are going with the pop-ups and sidebars, then I don't recommend to go with AMP pages, because if you use it, your website becomes easy and by default pages will see. Our next is audit your site links. If you are an old player in blogging or your website is old, then no doubt you have hundreds of links on your site. Sometimes you get hundreds and thousands of links from single site, which is harmful for your site. So to fix that issue, you have to audit your sites with the month, with a year. By the way, week is not a bad option. Always audit your site and see the links which are spamming with your website, and discover with the tool of Google discover tool, so that you can give clear intention that links are harmful for my site and that Google does not consider them as a backlink. So always try to do your site audit, which is helpful for your site. Next is make your whois public. Make sure that your website whois is available for everyone, because many sites publish the whois data for many sites. Of its public, it builds a trust signal for crawler, which is great for SEO. If your whois data is public and available for everyone, then it's a clear signal that the person who uh, use this site is not a spammy person and don't make a spam. So it's a clear intention. And the next technique is ensure your site is mobile friendly. As you can see, the many people are now using mobile and access internet with mobile as well. In fact, uh, many researches are done and found that mobile uses internet will higher than desktop. So the one thing that your website becomes mobile friendly, that your theme should be mobile friendly and lightweight, so that it loads very fastly with the mobiles as well. You can go with GeneratePress, Astra Pro, and schema themes to schema theme, which is mobile friendly as well as lightweight themes, which ensure your site to be load fast in mobile as well. Our next technique is use Google Analytics on your website. Google Analytics is the Google's free product that you can use to analyze your data like page views, new user retention, bounce rates, source of traffic, conversions, user behavior, and many more things you can analyze with this Google Analytics tool, which helps you. Also, this tool is completely free and you can use it as much as possible. So use it and see your data, because data is your gives you clear intention what should you do in next time to improve your site's performance. Our next technique is use responsive theme. On page SEO, one thing should be clear and important, that you should use the proper theme for website. Your website theme should be SEO friendly, mobile friendly, lightweight, and engaging with your audience. So here I want to recommend some popular themes like GeneratePress, Astra Pro, WP Schema, and Affiliate Booster theme, Focus themes by Thrive themes. These are themes you can use for your site and make your site speed load fast. And also these themes are easy to edit, so that your user experience becomes increased and bounce rate will be reduced. So use these themes. All these themes links are present in description. You can check that link and get your theme as well. So I also want to recommend that don't go with the free themes, because free themes have some bugs full, which makes your site's performance much loosey and hard to become load. So these are techniques that you can use for your site to make your site technically strong. I hope you like this video, and if you want to know more about marketing stuff, then visit our site on this digital and get your marketing tips. Thanks for listening and watching this video. I hope you like this.